I think, sir, with due respect, one of the challenges that I'm beginning to become convinced is our issue now in the country, especially since we've started this democracy. Everything considered, I think it's that we must accept that it's easier to win an election than to form government. For when the alignment of the forces play in your favor, INEC and all of that, including the judiciary, you could be declared the winner of an election. The big challenge that has frustrated our democracy and the growth of this country, in my opinion, is that how do you form a government that every part of the country and the players in the country can be behind that government, pulling together the best brains to solve the problem of the day? I'm convinced that no leader really goes out there to fail, that indeed leaders have not been able to meet the expectations of the Nigerian people because they have put only what they could gather by themselves around the table as the directive principles of solving the problem. If we're able to work on this, and we're able to understand that, yes, the Southwestern challenge is now really resolved, we're left with two challenges that we need to figure out how to resolve. In my opinion, 3 leaders got independence for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Anyhow, you prime it, and Azikiwe will be mentioned. And therefore, I think we have come to a point now where, as we connive with ourselves to help the Yorubas out of their June 12 malady, we must figure out a way to connive with ourselves to shatter the glass ceiling over in the Igbos. The second position, and then I'll leave the mic, is that I am worried for the North, sir, and since you're still here, I want you to be worried too. We grew up believing that there is one big North that stabilizes the other two when they start to become too garrulous and quarrelsome. But for some time now, it has seemed like that North only answers to the desires of the Northwest, and that every time your Northeastern brothers get up, there seems to be always a different conversation on the table that frustrates them. My fear is that if you do not watch it, you're going to lose the Northeast the same way you have almost now practically lost the North Central.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.